y'all, welcome back to Roman Recipes. Today we're going to make a delicious cookie. We're going to start off with one package of cream cheese, softened, still a little chill on it. I'll get all that off. We need a whole cup of butter, 2 sticks, also softened, and we're going to beat this up. We're going to beat this until light and fluffy. I would say that's pretty light and fluffy. We're going to add a cup of sugar. Oh, I was supposed to add the sugar already. We're going to beat that until that's light and fluffy. I'm going to scrape down the sides because this got pretty high. These are a delicious cream cheese sugar cookie. You can roll them in sugar and cinnamon sugar. You can add whatever you'd like. We're going to add in an egg yolk and vanilla. Separate the white here. Egg yolk and half a teaspoon of vanilla. We're gonna whip that up. Now we're going to add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I fluffed mine up by just shaking it and getting the proper amount. 1 cup, 2 cups, and 1/2 cups. Alright y'all, we're gonna whip this up slow. Alright y'all, pretty well mixed up. I'm gonna eject this. Now, I lied earlier. I said I made this and my family loves them. I chose the wrong recipe. I have not made these. I have made a cream cheese cookie before and they're delicious. Hopefully these are good and hopefully they have the outcome similar to what I'm hoping for, and we'll try them out. The recipe will be linked down below. It's not the one I was thinking I was doing, but hopefully it's good. The door was left open today and there's cows across the way, so there's flies, but I just shoo them on out. They smell cream cheesy, that's for sure, but hey, we'll make it happen. Okay, all right y'all, it's a thick sticky cookie, so we'll see what happens. Alright y'all, we're gonna change gears here a little bit and ball these up. This is so sticky, it's probably gonna stick like crazy in this little scoop. I want to measure out a 1/4 cup of batter and find out how many grams it is. It's so sticky. And it doesn't have a leavening agent in it, so I'm nervous. I'm gonna need a spoon to get this out. Okay. I'm gonna get a plate. Alright y'all, I've got a nice plate back there. We're going to measure this. So I got a little bowl here. Let's check it out. Yeah, about 70 grams. I'll add a touch more. So we're at 70 grams. We'll just keep going. I'll just keep adding and removing till I've got all the dough worked through and we're at 70 grams each. Alright y'all, we're gonna bake one of these up. This snickerdoodle is on a different video and I just have a couple extra. I want to give them a try. I'm gonna put a couple M&Ms on this cream cheese sugar one. I'll link the video and have the recipe for the snickerdoodle. We're just gonna put a couple M&Ms in here. I don't have too many and we'll see how it goes. Alright y'all, I put 3 M&Ms in here. I've never made this cream cheese recipe. I thought I did. Wrong recipe. We'll see how these turn out. Bake them at 325. Alright y'all, I baked up some of these cream cheese cookies. I had frozen them. I didn't squish them down at all. This is how they are. I read that a lot of people make these for Christmas cookies because these weren't the ones I was thinking I was making. I couldn't find the recipe and this is the one I grabbed. These are so cream cheesy. They might be good with something or if you add something to it, but they're not my family's favorite. They might be good in a cookie box, but you can tell these are pretty soft inside and they're a little crumbly. I don't know. They're different. Let me know if you've had a cookie like this before. If you like them. They might be good with coffee or a lemon glaze or something to cut that cream cheese and help out these flavors a bit. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and letting us know what you think down below. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace out.